Nordstrom shares are popping in overtime after reporting earnings moments ago. PVH also just out with their report. We're going to go through that right now. And in the meantime, let's bring in Dana Telsey, CEO of Telsey Advisory Group. Great to have you here on set. Welcome.
Thank you very much for having me. Great to be here.
So I think we've got to start with Nordstrom because it looks like pretty much a beat across the board. Okay, revenue is in line, but same-store sales up almost 1% and Rack, perhaps not surprisingly, up more than 4% with same-store sales.
Yep, that's the strength. Rack is the strength. That's where their growth has been. They're opening stores this year at Rack. Take a look at the guidance. They upticked the lower end of the guidance, so moved everything up a little bit. That's encouraging. The anniversary sale, one of the surprising things, home. They called out home as a category that did well in the anniversary sale. We haven't heard home called out in a long time. Active and beauty were the call-outs. No surprise. That's what's been the call-outs for them. The better gross margin. We're going to want to hear about the uptick in SG&A because the SG&A did come in a little bit higher than expected, and the inventory levels were up. They were down at the end of the first quarter, so we're going to want to hear about that up inventory and how they're planning the back half.
Okay. So do we look at a name like Nordstrom as a macro tell on the consumer, or given the fact that department stores for a while now have been secular losers, is the way to think about this report just better than feared?
Better than feared. You had the anniversary sale in there. You got a benefit from the anniversary sale, too, and the expectations were low.
Dana, we're doing this in real time right now. Want to get your initial reaction to this, especially since it does seem like we have a softer guide here.
Yes, keep in mind, PVH has guided softer as we've gone through the year. Europe is going to be the thing to find out about because that's been where the weakness has been. Want to hear about the European wholesale order book and especially the orders that are going forward. The expectation that the decline in the orders would lessen is going to be what we hear about. And Tommy Hilfiger being down 4%, that's pretty much not worse than feared. I want to hear about the margins. I want to hear about Europe because that's going to be the key. And don't forget, they're doing a lot of share buybacks also to help support that stock price.
But I thought the 90s were back. I thought Tommy Hilfiger and Calvin Klein were hot again. Is that come and gone?
I think it is back. Look what they're doing with the wide leg jeans. They're the whole part of that trend. Look what they've been doing about marketing and data. And they've become a digital first company.
Okay. So how do we take this and read through to other areas of the consumer landscape, the retail landscape, especially as we're going to get more names as the week goes on here, including Lululemon, which
yes.
I know is a very high-profile report here.
It's the haves and the have-nots. When you think about the world and what we have with earnings, you're absolutely right. People think it's Labor Day week, it's slow. We've got over 20 earnings where the whole bulk of retail is reporting tonight, tomorrow, and Thursday. Lulu, Gap, and Ulta at the end of the day on Thursday. So I think it's a situation of the haves and the have-nots. We know about value. We've seen Walmart, Target, TJX, and Ross. Burlington's coming on Thursday. Let's see that. Brands and innovation have momentum. Let's watch Abercrombie and Birkenstock because we know that there's a lot of full price sales at Birkenstock. And there's a moment that's happening with footwear. It's provided by the new denim trends that are out there. Wide leg loose jeans. You need new footwear in order to be able to go with that. But when you think about also the inventory order trends, everyone's being very careful with inventory. Price and value matter. It was impressive what Nordstrom do. We're going to get more color on that. And their women's apparel picked up. That was encouraging to see.